This Lexus LX 800 features cutting-edge safety tech and a stunning design. It's the perfect blend of luxury and performance.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, you've been counting down the days, scouring the internet for every tiny scrap of information about the next big thing from Lexus. And let me tell you, the wait is almost over, because today, we're diving deep into what we know so far about the absolute beast that is the upcoming 2026 Lexus LX 800. Get ready, because this isn't just an update, it's a revolution. First off, let's just talk about the elephant in the room, the design. Now, we've seen a few glimpses, and I've got to say, Lexus has absolutely knocked it out of the park. They've managed to keep that iconic, imposing LX presence we all love, but they've sharpened every line, modernized every curve. It's got this incredible blend of rugged sophistication. The grille, while still unmistakably Lexus, feels more integrated, more aggressive, yet somehow more elegant. And those headlights, absolutely stunning, giving it a really distinctive signature on the road. It looks like it means business, whether it's pulling up to a 5-star hotel or tackling a mountain trail. It's a true head-turner, and frankly, it makes the current model look a little, well, last generation. But the beauty here isn't just skin deep, folks. Underneath that gorgeous new body, we're finally seeing the electrification we've been hoping for. The 2026 LX 800 is set to feature a brand new, powerful hybrid powertrain. We're talking about a significant boost in both power and, critically, fuel efficiency. Now, Lexus hasn't released all the exact specs yet, but imagine this legendary SUV with even more torque, instant acceleration, and the ability to glide silently through city streets on electric power. It's the best of both worlds, uncompromising capability with a nod to a more sustainable future. This hybrid setup isn't just about saving a few bucks at the pump. It's about refining the driving experience, making it smoother, quieter, and even more responsive. And speaking of capability, let's talk off-road. Because this is an LX, right? It's not just for looking good in the city. Lexus knows its heritage, and they're leaning into it hard. Expect to see enhanced off-road features, likely an improved multi-terrain select system, and possibly even some new tech to make those challenging adventures even easier. They're making sure that while it's getting more luxurious and high-tech, it doesn't lose an ounce of that go-anywhere spirit. This thing will still be able to conquer pretty much anything you throw at it, just like its predecessors, but now with even more finesse and capability. It's going to be a true luxury tank, ready for anything. Now, let's step inside, because this is where Lexus always shines, and the LX 800 is taking it to another level. The interior updates are simply breathtaking. We're looking at a completely redesigned cabin that blends exquisite craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. Massive, high-resolution screens for both the infotainment and the driver display, seamless smartphone integration, and probably an even more advanced Mark Levinson sound system, because, let's be real, you need that concert hall experience on the go. The materials are going to be top-tier, as always, with even more attention to detail in the stitching, the wood or aluminum accents, and the overall fit and finish. Comfort is paramount in an LX, and I'm anticipating even more supportive and luxurious seating, especially in the second row, making it an absolute joy on long journeys. It's a sanctuary, a true mobile executive lounge that still manages to be incredibly practical for families or adventurers. So, the big question, right? Price. While official pricing is still under wraps, given the significant upgrades in design, powertrain, and technology, we can expect the 2026 LX 800 to command a premium over the current generation. My best guess is we're looking at a starting point well into the six-figure range, potentially kicking off around the $95,000 to $100,000 mark, and easily climbing much higher for the fully loaded models. It's a substantial investment, but for what you're getting, this blend of luxury, capability, reliability, and now advanced hybrid tech, it really stands as a strong contender in the ultra-luxury SUV segment. Compared to past models, this 2026 LX 800 represents a monumental leap forward. It's not just an evolution, it's a transformation. Lexus is clearly pushing the boundaries, responding to customer feedback, and setting new benchmarks for what a luxury SUV can be. It takes the solid foundation of the LX line and infuses it with modern aesthetics, advanced powertrain tech, and an even more opulent interior. It's still that dependable, robust vehicle, but now it's sleek, efficient, and packed with more tech than ever before. This is the LX for the next generation, blending its legendary heritage with a bold vision for the future. I am genuinely so excited to see this thing hit the showrooms. What are your thoughts? Are you as hyped as I am for the 2026 Lexus LX 800? Let me know in the comments below what feature you're most looking forward to. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more automotive content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.